system to decimal number system, from other number system to decimal number system, other number system to decimal number system. How we are converting other number system to decimal number system, other number system to decimal number system. Can I have given any explanation how we are converting other number system to decimal number system?
Positional
Positional weighted code.
code.
Okay, before converting other number system to decimal number system, we have to understand one very important concept called it as positional weighted codes. Positional weighted codes. Now, tell me what about these positional weighted codes? Now, whether these four number systems are comes under these positional weighted codes or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
These four comes under positional weighted codes. Now tell me what about position? What do you mean by positional weighted codes? Please take one example and tell me. Suppose if it is a binary number, I am considering it as a binary number 1011 1011 of base 2 1011 of base 2. Now tell me what are the positional values and what are the positions of these bits, what are the positions of these 4 bits, and what are the weights? What is the position of this bit 1? What is the position?
10 power
0.
0. 10 power 0.
0. 0, 1,
0,
2.
sir. 1, 2.
Position is 0. The position is 0.
Yeah.
And the second bit position is 1. The second
1.
bit position is 1. The third bit, this 0th bit position is 2.
2.
2.
Now this 1 bit, the final or
3.
the last bit position is 3. You have to clearly distinguish position and position value. Now 0th position value is 1.
1.
That means in the 0th position the bit value is 1. The bit value is 1. Now what is the weight of 0th position? What is the weight of
10 power 0.
10 power 0.
Okay.
2 power 0.
Okay. What is the weight of this bit 1 or 0th position? What is the weight? Okay.
2 power 0.
Okay. Those who are saying 10 power 0, you are wrong actually. Why? Because the number system what we have considered here is binary number system. The number system what we have considered here is binary number system. The weight of this bit 0, sorry, the first bit position is 0. The weight is 2 power 0. The weight is 2 power 0. Am I clear to everyone? Now you
Yes,
got my
sir.
point.
Yes,
Some
sir.
people are saying 10 power 0. Please cross check it. Why? Because you have to know which number system we have taken. Here I have considered one binary number as an example. Here I have considered one binary number as an example. I have clearly mentioned the base as 2. Depending upon the number system which you have considered, the weights are changing. The weights are changing. That is the meaning of weights, positional weighted code. 2 power 0. The bit value is 1 and weight is 2 power 0. Now, sorry, positional value is 1 and weight is 2 power 0. What is the positional value of uh, the second bit? The positional value of second bit is 1 only. Are you understanding? Am I confusing to you?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding? Are you following everyone? These are simple
Yes,
things
sir.
only. Now,
Yes, sir.
the second bit positional value is 1. The second bit positional value is 1. Now, what is the weight of second bit? Now tell me. What is the
2.
weight of 2 power 1.
Power
Don't say
2 power 1.
2 power 1. Like that, I hope now you get some clarity. Now I hope you understood. In the same way, third bit positional value is 0. The third bit positional value is 0 and weight is
2 power
2 square. The weight is 2 square. Are you getting? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. Now, the fourth bit positional value is
1.
the
Q.
fourth
3.
1.
3.
Position is
1.
position is 3. Positional value is 1. Bit is 1. The positional value is 1 and position is 3. Now, what is the weight?
2 cube.
2 cube.
2 cube. Very good. Okay. That is about positional weighted codes concept. That is about the positional weighted concept. Hope am I clear? Am I clear to everyone? Now,
Yes, sir.
all these are positional weighted codes. Decimal number we can also call it as positional weighted code. Binary number also positional weighted code, and octal also positional weighted code. Hexadecimal also positional weighted code. Now, why we are discussing these positional weighted codes? Because of, in order to convert any other number system into decimal, in order to convert any other number system into decimal, what we are doing, we are using we are following a procedure called it as multiplication procedure. We are following while converting any other number system into decimal. We are following multiplication procedure, simple multiplication, and finally after performing the multiplication we are adding all the sums. Multiplication. Now, for what we are multiplying? We are multiplying
Positional
positional
values with
values.
positional weights.
Very good. We are multiplying positional values with the positional weights. We are multiplying positional values with the positional weight, and after multiplication, we are adding all those sums. We are adding all those values. Then we are getting the final result. What we are getting is the decimal number. The final result after performing the sum, what we are getting is the final decimal number. That means after performing this multiplication and sum, then the result what we are getting is a decimal number. Hope am I clear?
Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
are you clear about this point now?
Yes,
Now, initially, I hope you are writing the running notes. I already told you, I don't want to repeat again and again. Please keep running notes with you whenever our class is going on. Write down some important points or write down the running notes. Okay. Now, here initially I am considering the number systems that are there in our syllabus. Now, binary to decimal, octal to decimal, and hexadecimal to decimal. Binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal. Okay. Now, this is the reverse. We have done one forward and one backward. That means vice versa. We can convert from one number system to other number and other number system. In the last class, we have seen decimal to other number system. Today's session, we are going to complete other number system to decimal number system. Now, here I am considering one example, or you can tell me any random binary number. I can start with binary, octal as well as hexadecimal. One example we are going to take. Now tell me any binary number. Randomly you can take any binary number as an example. Can someone tell me?
1101. 1101.
1101 as a simple example. 1101 of base 2. Definitely you should say base 2. Okay. Now we have to convert this into decimal. This into decimal. We know the destination base here. Why? Because the decimal. We are converting binary into decimal number system. Now what we are doing first, as an initial step, as a starting problem, I want to explain each and every point. From the next problem onwards, I can directly do the calculations. Okay. Now first we have to identify the positions. This is the 0th position, first position. Always we have to start giving the positions from rightmost bit to the leftmost bit. Are you understanding? Always we have to give the positions from the rightmost bit to the leftmost bit. Sir, which one is the rightmost? This is the rightmost bit. Whether it may be a binary number, or whether it may be a octal number, or whether it may be a hexadecimal number, always whether it may be a decimal number, whenever you are giving the positions, whenever you are giving the positions, then the position should start with always 0. It should not start with 1. It should start with 0, and you should continue from the leftmost. This is the leftmost bit. This is the leftmost bit. 0, 1, 2, 3. Sir, why these positions we have to know? Why we have to identify? Based on these positions only, you are assigning positional weights. You are assigning positional weights. Positional weights are nothing but, here what is the base of the source number? 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. Those are the positional weights. Now positional values means 1, 0, 1, 1. Now here the positional value is 1 if you consider the leftmost bit, and the positional weight is 2 cube. Now plus we have to sum up all the positional weights. After multiplication we have to sum. Directly I am performing sum as well as multiplication. Plus 1 into 2 square, 1 into 2 square,
13,
plus
sir.
0 into 2 power 1, plus 1 into 2 power 0. 1 into 2 power 0. Now 2 cube, you already know, 8. 8 into 1, 8, plus 2 square, 4. 2 power 1 is 2, plus 0 into 2 is 0, plus 2 power 0 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 13. Is equal to 13 of base 10. This is the required decimal number for the given binary number. This is the required decimal number for the given binary number. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Because of starting problem, because of it is a simple. Now you can do one more problem. I am not doing, you can do. I can give you the number 110110 of base 2. Convert this into decimal. I want answers from your side. You can do in your notebook, and please tell me the answer after finishing. I hope everyone is there in the session. I can call randomly. You already know. Please do this problem. You completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone, are you completed the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, roll number 68. What is the solution? Roll number 68. Roll number 68. Are you there in the session?
Sir, 67 present, sir.
Not asking your attendance. I am not asking your attendance. 67. Calling randomly some numbers. Roll number 68.
Okay.
Are you there in the session? Roll number 68. Are you there in the session? Hope everyone is able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 68. Are you there in the session? Roll number 68. Okay. Roll number 78.
109 base 10, sir.
109. 109.
Base 10.
Okay. 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 I want to cross check. I don't know. I have not done. Roll number 78. Number
Yes,
78.
sir.
88.
Yeah.
Roll number 88.
109 base 10, sir. I also got the same.
Okay. 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 Then 98. Roll number 98. Roll number 98.
Huh, sir.
Tell me your answer. Is this answer is correct?
Sir.
109 base 10.
Yes, sir. 109 base 10.
Okay. Okay. Roll number 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we will move forward. Why? Because everyone got the same answer. Everyone got the same answer. This answer is correct, I hope. If anyone got the different
Yes,
answer,
sir.
if anyone got the different answer, that means your answer is wrong. This 109 is correct. Okay. Now we are moving to the next conversion. Okay. Now I hope you note down this problem as well as this procedure. Now we are moving to the next octal to decimal. Octal to decimal. Now, now I hope the procedure is clear to you. Now convert. Now convert. Now convert. This problem also you have to do your own. Now convert. Now convert 286 of base 8 into decimal. Convert this into decimal. Are you able to see my screen?
8.
Are you
Sir,
able
8
to see my screen?
Sir, and after 8 is nothing.
What?
In octal number, 8 is not present, no, sir.
Very good. Very good. Very good. I have written this number intentionally. Okay, I have written this number intentionally. Whether you are identifying the given number is the required number system or not, because of that. Very good. Those who have identified this is the mistake. Actually, in octal number, we don't have a
There is no
symbol
clue.
called it symbol. We don't have a symbol called it as 8. Everyone, are you following what they are
Yes, sir.
saying?
Yes, sir.
What they are saying
Sir.
exactly correct. The 8 is not present in the octal number system. I have written intentionally, whether you are following or whether you are understanding or not. Now you can do this one. I hope now you can do this one. 124 of base 8 into 124 of base 8 into base 10 system. This is a proper octal number only. Don't worry. This is correct octal number only. Try to convert. I want solutions. You have to practice as many examples as possible. Then you can understand everything what we are discussing. In number systems, coming to the first unit. in the examination point of view, definitely he is asking problems only. He is asking problems. Sometimes it may be a conversions, or sometimes the coming topics. The next topics we are going to see. '96, please mute your audio. Hope everyone completed the problem. Now I want solution. Now Columbus 72. Columbus 72.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
86
now
of base 10, sir.
86 of,
Base 10.
I don't know exactly. Okay, I want to cross check. Okay, your number is 72. Okay, please mute yourself. Number 82.
Yes, sir. I got 84 of base 10.
Got 8. Please mute your audio. I am getting 82. Please mute. 92. 92.
84 of base 10, sir.
Okay. A2.
84 of base 10, sir.
B2.
84 of base 10, sir.
72. You can cross check once. Why? Because majority of the people got 84 of base 10. Okay, if you are not understanding, okay, those who are not understanding, I can also do here. Okay, whether we can cross check whether it is 84 or 86. It definitely it should be 84 of base 10 only. Why? Because majority of the people got the same answer. Now first we need to identify the positions. The position is 0, 1 and 2. The positions are 0. Now I am directly performing the multiplication and summation. 1 into 8 square. 1 into 8 square. Why 8 square? Because the base is 8 octal number, and the weight is the position is to 8 square, plus 2 into 8 power 1. 2 into 8 power 1 plus 4 into 8 power 0. 4 into 8 power 0. This is the procedure what we have to do. 8 square 64 plus 2 into 8 16 plus 8 power 0 1. 4 into 1 4. Okay, 64 plus 16 80 plus 4 84. 84 of base 10. Am I clear to everyone? The solution is 84 of base 10. 72, please cross check it where you have did a mistake. Completed everyone? It is simple only. Now those who have completed, you can do one more problem. 365 of base 8. 365 of base 8, you can convert into decimal. You can convert into decimal. Hope everyone doing the problems. I am assuming that everyone, are you doing the problems in your notebook? I hope completed everyone. Now, roll number 75. Roll number 75. Roll number 75. Roll number 75. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Roll number 75. Are you there in the session? Roll number 75. Roll number 75. I hope you are seeing the screen. Roll number 85.
365 to the base 10.
You are getting same answer.
Yes, sir.
365 of base 10. If we convert this into this, we are getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, roll number 95.
Sir, 245 to the base 10 I'm getting, sir.
Roll number roll number 85. What is your answer?
365 to the base 10.
Your answer is what I have written on the screen only.
Yes, sir.
Now, roll number 95. What is your answer?
245, sir.
245 of base 10.
To the, sir.
Okay, 245 of base 10. Now, roll number A5.
245 base 10, sir.
Roll number B5. 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 Okay. Roll number C5. 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 What happened? Okay. Tell me the remaining people. What is the which answer which one is the correct one?
245, sir.
245 base 10, sir. 245, sir.
base.
Okay, okay. Roll number
245 to the base 10, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Please, thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope 245 is the correct answer. Roll number 85. How you got this answer? 365 of base 10. Are you following what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Then how you got this 365? Can you tell me the procedure? What you have done?
5 into 10 power 0 plus 6 into 10 power 1 plus 3 into 10 square.
Why you have taken the weights as 10 power 0, 10 power 1 and 10 square? What is the given number? What is the given number system I have given? What is the given number system I have given?
I thought decimal, sir.
You thought decimal, but you have to see at least my screen. Here I have clearly written 365 of base 8. If you are not seeing my screen, if you are only listening, here, if it is listening only, won't work here in our subject point of view. Okay, now we are wasting our time. Let's move to the next conversion. Next hexadecimal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal conversion, hexadecimal to decimal conversion. I'm not doing that last problem. I hope everyone done the last problem. Now hexadecimal to decimal. Now I can take the simple number 1. Sorry, directly I can take simple number, hexadecimal number. Otherwise, you can tell me some hexadecimal number as an example. Can someone tell me randomly any hexadecimal number as an example?
238, sir.
238. Okay, I am changing slightly. 2AC 2AC of hexadecimal number and convert this into decimal. Convert this into decimal. 2AC of base 16 into decimal. Now, so many people having doubt. Sir, for these alphabets, what I should do? Okay, as a starting problem, listen. First, we have to identify the position: 0th position, first position, second position. As usual, the same procedure. What is the leftmost bit? 2 into 16 square. 2 into 16 square plus A.
10.
A means what? 10.
10.
We should
Yeah.
okay, very good. We should consider it as a 10. A means 10. 10 into 16 power 1. 10 into 16 power 1 plus C means
12.
12. 12 into 16 power 0. 12 into 16 power 0. 12 into 16 power 0, and if you sum all these values, we are going to get the final result as decimal number. Now please do the calculation and tell me the final answer, the final decimal number.
684.
684. Okay, 684. Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
684 of base 10. 684 of base 10. 684 of base 10. I hope everyone got the same answer. If you done the calculation and if you add all those values, you got 684 of base 10. This is the decimal number for the given hexadecimal number. This is the decimal number for the given hexadecimal number. Okay. Do one more problem and we can move to the next concept or next conversions. Okay. Now do one more example. 1, 2. Okay. Write it as 1D 2E of hexadecimal number into decimal. 1D 2E of hexadecimal to decimal. My screen is visible to everyone. I hope my screen is visible to each and everyone. Don't say, sir, I am thinking that it is a decimal number. It is a hexadecimal number. Okay, convert this hexadecimal number into decimal number.
Seven four 7 0, sir.
Someone is saying answer. Can you repeat?
7470, sir.
7470 of base 10. 7470 of base 10. What about the other people? Everyone
Yes,
got
sir.
the same answer?
Same answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Same answer. Everyone got the same answer. Okay, well done. Very good. I hope now you understood how to convert a decimal number into other number system as well as other number system into decimal number system. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we have taken the basic number systems like binary, octal, hexadecimal number system. Now you have to do these problems. Now convert, sorry, do this one. 213 of 213 of base 4 into decimal. 214 of base 4 into decimal. Base 4, this is the base 4. Convert this into decimal.
39, sir.
39, sir.
39 of base 10. Okay. Everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir. 39.
Okay. I hope everyone understood what we are doing, how we are converting other number system into decimal number system. Okay, those who are not understanding, this, especially this problem, first, as usual, we have to identify position 0, 1, 2, and what is the given number system? Base 4 number system. 2 into 4 square, 2 into 4 square plus 1 into 4 power 1, 1 into 4 power 1. Why? Because the given number system is base 4 number system. 3 into 4 power 0, 3 into 4 power 0, 3 into 4 power 0. Now if you sum all these values, 4 square 16, 16 into 2, sorry, 16, okay, 16 into 2, 32. 32 plus 1 into 4, 4 plus 3 into 1, 3. 32 plus 7, 39. 39 of base 10. Hope everyone got the same answer and everyone everyone are doing the same procedure. Everyone following the same procedure what we are following. Now you can convert any other number system into decimal number system. Okay, now moving to